Hey guys, it's Snowkei. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review this new SUQQU 2020 Autumn Winter Powder Blush Compact. So if you're interested in this 6-pan blushers, keep watching. So let's have a look on this blusher palette. You can see there are 4 shades of blushers and 2 shades of highlighting color. 3 shades from upper row is slightly cool toned and 3 shades on the lower part is slightly warm toned. The first color, it's a light sand rose, very smooth, very easy to apply on and high pigmented. It's such an elegant color. Okay, next one. It's an orangey brown. I bet it will look good for a really summery look. It gives you the burnt orange vibe. I think when you blend it out, you can see the brown a bit more. Okay, the next one. It's a berry pink. It looks quite cool toned. It's not as crazy as it looks. It has a little bit of grayish tone to it. So I would say it's a subtle berry pink. It's very smooth. When you apply it on, you feel like you're using a cream blusher. Okay, the next one. It's a coral pink. Slightly darker than it looks. Also quite gray toned. Then next one. It's a highlighting color. It's a pink pearl. A lot of shiny glitters. This color is very beautiful. It looks really nice when you mix it with the blusher. Okay, the next one. It's more of a light beige highlighting color with some really fine glitters. It looks a bit dark for a highlighting color, but when you just apply for a thin layer, it can be really natural, really subtle. I would say it's a light beige, but when you apply a bit more, you can see the brown. For this palette, you can all see the gray tone to it. It's not as bright as it might seem on the website. No wonder they are saying this palette can be used on all kinds of skin tones. Okay, after trying 6 shades on my face, I have to say this palette is more useful than I imagined because when I saw the color on the website, I was like, oh, maybe this palette wouldn't be that useful with some berry pink, coral pink. It wouldn't be my daily blusher choice. But when I try it on my face, I realized it can be a palette that you use your own way to make it shine. You can make it as obvious as you want to. Also, you can just create a really natural glowy look with this palette. So I'm quite happy with that. With the 2 highlighting color, you can choose either using the slightly more pinkish one or slightly more beige one. Depends on what kind of look you're going for. These 2 highlighting colors, you can also mix it with the blushers. So it's really cool. You can mix and match for so many ways of approach. I think as a loyal SUQQU fan like me, I can say it with confidence. Don't judge SUQQU's color story just by its appearance. When you look at the color online, on Instagram, sometimes I thought, okay, this color is a little bit too cool tone, this color is a little bit too crazy, it wouldn't work for me. But when you try it on your face, it just magically worked every single time. So I'm really confident with the color stories every time SUQQU brings us. So here is what I thought. Let me know what you think, if you like this palette or not, or what kind of color combination would you normally go for. Leave a comment below and let me know. I will see you next time. Bye bye!